Ho ho! Hey guys, it's me again, Feri. Oh, by the way, that's why my channel is called Feri-Tales, because Feri is my name. I mean, officially it's Ferenc, the Hungarian equivalent of Francis or François. But so that's why you could find my videos under the channel Feri-Tales. uh, it, it's just about midday outside, so for now we won't need my Dracula accent. Anyway, I usually always just save it for after midnight. Um, so to get you up on the topic we are into, I had this old military chest from my granddad, which we decided to cut in half. I mean, to cut the sides off, cut the corners off. No, cut the sides off and throw out the middle section, and then glue up the corners or the sides again, so we would get a much smaller box, more suitable for beehives. Because I asked my beekeeper friend, who is, by the way, also a heating specialist and a professional gardener and a woodworker. So I asked him, and he suggested that I could enlarge the box with foreign wood. I mean, foreign, not a wood from abroad, but different kind of wood. But then I would have the issue of the whole box being prone to warping over time, because different kinds of wood, different ages of wood might also react differently to temperature differences. So what he suggested, that I just dropped the idea of enlarging the box to be able to put more frames in it, more beekeeping frames in it, but just to shrink it a bit so that it would fit for 10 frames or one small bee colony. But at least it would be better or more high quality in the end than if I tried to mess around with different kinds of woods, inserting boards into different parts of the box. So that's what we will do. We'll cut the box in half, take off, in three halves or 3/3, and the first and the third, yeah, that's the third, right? So the first third and the third would be saved. The middle section could be set out, and we will join the beginning and the end of the box to make it kind of more compact. It's almost a square box, just a little bit elongated to the front and back. So that's today's project, and let's just carry on with it. Before beginning to split the whole casket in half, we would have to establish the dimensions to which the final beehive would have to come down to. So let's just take my measurement. Here we have a frame. Oh! The drill! I have been looking for it. Haha! Nice! So we have a drill. So this is it. One frame, and let me just measure it. Contrary to German and Polish Dayton hives and Langstroth hives, the Hungarian frames are 42 centimeters across and 34 centimeters down. So it's both deeper and wider than an ordinary Langstroth hive, as far as I can remember. But if I'm wrong, please correct me on that. So it's pretty large a frame, and this will be the final measurement of. Well, here comes the bulkhead. Let's have some substitute for the bulkhead. So let's say this will be the end of the hive. So here we are building a ledge on which this frame will sit, And similarly on the opposite side we will have another ledge where the other ear of the same frame will sit. Like this. Which is us. This is the ledge, just for my machine square. So this is it. Here we have the ledge. Okay, so this mark will be the ledge. Okay, let's just split it here. And then this will come here. This goes back into the wardrobe. Okay, let's do some business. We are almost there. So if I open it up, then you could see that really there's just this little portion keeping it together. But first I would have to disassemble these hinges from here. Let's see. So what I do is just one screw to put back, and that will hold it in place for us. Let's see. Let's cheat a little bit. Okay, we're done finally. Okay, so now the right half of the chest just comes off just like that. It's almost good. The saw job is not perfect, but for the purpose it will do. Okay, so we won't be needing this smaller half, or it's not even half, it's just a smaller edge of the chest here. So I could just put it away, but I just noticed that we have this crack in here. I mean, not cracking, but the crack in the wood here, which we will try to mend, because as you can see it extends all the way to the other half of the board. So what I thought about is just open it up a little bit, put some wood glue in it, and then squeeze it again back together. That would do the job. To open it up a bit for the glue, I'll just be using a screw here. Just like this. Okay. Just in here. Just like that. And then I'll take the screw out. And we'll tighten it down. There is a little bit of squeeze out. Well, thanks a lot for joining me today, so I didn't have to do this all alone. And if you're curious how the project might turn out, then don't forget to hit that subscribe button so that you will be notified of the next episode, in which we will try to take out the middle section and join the two ends together so that we would get a smaller box for the little bees to live in. So yeah, they are really cute. I'll show you sometime. And as a special treat for today, I've got a poll for you. If you agree that my haircut is fine like this, then hit the like button. And if you think that I should come up with something different, then hit the subscribe button. And of course, join me next time.